The IM4D and IM4LED Icemakers from GE Appliances are easy to install. We'll show you how. To install your new Icemaker, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers, 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch nut drivers, and a box cutter. Please reference the instructions included with the new Icemaker assembly kit. Installation may vary depending on your refrigeration model. Before you begin, unplug the refrigerator and check the label on the back of the unit. You will see a letter indicating which set of instructions to use. We will be using the V installation instructions. The label will also specify which fill tube to use. In this example, we will use fill tube number 11. Using a sharp blade, cut through the label to reveal the tube opening. Note, some models come with the fill tube and water valve already installed. Inside the freezer, look for the outlet on the back left wall. Remove the outlet cover and rear wall button using the flat blade screwdriver. Now remove the adhesive backing on the fill tube assembly and slide the tube into place. Press firmly on the fill tube assembly to secure it to the refrigerator. If your model does not already have mounting screws, partially insert 2 Phillips head screws in the left wall of the freezer. If your model already has mounting screws installed, merely loosen these screws, but do not remove them. Now set the Icemaker power switch to off. Leave the power switch in the off position until the refrigerator is connected to the water supply to prevent premature operation. Then install the Icemaker fill cup included in the kit onto the Icemaker. Next, insert the Icemaker power cord plug into the socket by pressing firmly. Then lock the plug in place by clipping the restraints onto each side of the plug. Now lift the Icemaker so the fill tube assembly fits in the fill cup opening and hang the Icemaker on the 2 mounting screws. With the Icemaker in place, securely tighten the mounting screws. Make sure the Icemaker is leveled after installation. If your refrigerator is not Icemaker ready, you must install a water valve. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws that hold the compressor compartment access cover in place. Then remove the cover and set aside. Insert the black water tube into the water valve and hook the water line into the side clip. Next, locate the female connector plug in the compressor compartment. Plug that connector into the water valve. Then, using one of the hex head screws from the kit, fasten the water valve to the cabinet. Take the hose clamp included with the kit and slide it onto the opposite end of the water tube. Then slide the tube into the fill tube assembly. Using pliers, squeeze the tabs to open the hose clamp. Then slide the clamp over the fill tube assembly, securing the water tube in place. Using the adhesive-backed fasteners, secure the water tube to the back of the refrigerator. The first fastener should be below the hose clamp. Space the remaining fasteners out along the back of the refrigerator to take up the slack in the tube. Connect the hose supply line to the water valve using a 1/2 inch or adjustable wrench. Turn on the water supply to the refrigerator and check for leaks at the water valve connection. Reinstall the compressor compartment cover, but do not install the screw in the upper right corner of the cover. Slide the metal clamp over the supply line. Then secure the clamp onto the cabinet with a 1/4 inch hex head screw through the upper right corner of the cover. Turn the Icemaker on and plug in the refrigerator. Be sure to discard the first bucket of ice before use. Keep in mind that it may take up to 24 hours for your new GE Appliances Icemaker to produce ice. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.